we present our automatic packing machine BG65 for free-flowing powders and semi-power products. It produces bags with different sizes and weights, ideal for those who want to produce also big bags. Thanks to the pneumatic system, powders are loaded quickly, avoiding the dispersion and the contamination of the product. It's easy. You set the weight and the various settings, and the machine starts automatically. Skills and experience of our technical department guarantee customized solutions to our customers. Our BG65 is designed and produced in our factory in Italy in Vicenza, near Venice. The BG65 produces bags with different sizes and weights, also big bags, standard or vacuum. Directly from the producer. Visit our website www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.